Multiplication using the algorithm. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to multiply two-digit numbers together. And starting out, we're just going to look at it without regrouping. First, let's review how to multiply a two-digit number times a one-digit number. We'll multiply 32 times 4. So the first thing we need to do is write the numbers on top of each other like this. Then, we're going to multiply the ones together. So 4 times 2 is 8, and that goes right here in the ones place of my answer. Next, I'm going to multiply by the tens place. 4 times 3, which is 12, and that's going to go right down here next to the 8, and I have my answer, 128. Let's try multiplying two digits times two digits. This time we're going to multiply 21 times 32. To start, just ignore that digit that we added to the second number. That 3, let's just get rid of that for a minute. Okay, let's just multiply 21 times 2. That's easy. 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. Now we'll add that digit back to the second number. Let's bring that 3 back. Now it's time to multiply that new digit, the 3, times the top number. And we're going to put that answer right here. So we're going to multiply this time 21 times 3, and that's going to go right down here underneath the 42. But before we do that, we need to add a 0 in the ones place of our second number. And that's because the 3 in 32, it isn't really a 3, it's a 30. So by adding that 0 down there, we can keep its value. It's like a shortcut. We can act like it's just a 3 when really it's a 30. And we do that by just adding that 0 in the ones place of our second number. Now we can multiply 21 times 3 instead of having to think of it as a 30. So we do 3 times 1, which is 3, and we're going to put that right next to the 0. And then we do 3 times 2, which is 6, and that goes right next to the 3. And then the last step is to add these two numbers together. So we have 42 plus 630. Let's add them together, and we get an answer of 672, which is our answer. Let's try another one. This time, 42 times 14. So remember, 42 times 4 is going to be our first number. 42 times 1 is going to be the second number, but don't forget, we're going to have to put a 0 right here in the ones place of the second number because it's not really 42 times 1, it's really 42 times 10. So that 0 is a shortcut that lets us think about it like 42 times 1. Okay, let's multiply. 4 times 2 is 8, and 4 times 4 is 16. There's our first number. That was 42 times 4. Now let's do 42 times 1, but don't forget the 0 first. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 4 is 4. And then we add those two numbers together. And we get our answer, 588. Let's review. Multiply the top number by the ones place of the bottom number. Add a 0 beneath the ones place of your answer to begin a second number. Then multiply the top number by the tens place of the bottom number and put that answer beside the 0. And finally, just add the two numbers together. Now let's look at the multiplication algorithm. Still two digits times two digits, but this time with regrouping. So first, let's review multiplying a two-digit number by a one-digit number with regrouping. 74 times 3. All right, I'm going to do 3 times 4 to start. 3 times 4 is 12. But I can't put a 12 in the ones place of my answer. I can put the 2 down and carry the 1 over into the tens place because that's what it is. It's really a group of 10. Now I'm going to multiply 3 times 7, which is 21. But before I write that down, I need to add that 1 that I carried to it. So I have 21 plus the 1 that I carried, and that's 22. That goes down into my answer, and my answer is 222. Now let's review what we learned in the last lesson, 2 digits times 2 digits without regrouping. So remember, 53 times 3 goes here, 53 times 2 goes here, but then we also have to have that 0. There's always going to be a 0 right here. All right, first we're going to multiply 3 times 3. That's 9. And then we're going to multiply 3 times 5, and that's 15. Moving on to the next number, don't forget the 0. 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 5 is 10. And then we just add the two numbers together to get our final answer, which is 1,219. All right, now we're ready for 2 digits times 2 digits with regrouping. Here we go. 8 times 2 is 16. I put down the 6 and I carry the 1. 8 times 4 is 32, but don't forget to add the 1 to it, 33. Okay, that was 42 times 8. Let's move on to 42 times 3. But first, I'm going to cross off that 1 that I carried so I don't get confused and try to add it in again. I'm also going to put the 0 in the 1's place of that second number. Okay, now I'm ready to multiply. To get my second number, I'm going to multiply 42 times 3. So first I do 3 times 2, which is 6, and then I do 3 times 4, which is 12. And finally, I just add the two numbers together to get my final answer, which is 1,596. Let's try one more. This time, we'll have to regroup twice. First, we're going to multiply 85 times 6. Okay, 6 times 5 is 30. I know I can't put a 30 in the 1's place of my answer, so I'll put the 0 down and carry the 3. All right, 6 times 8 is 48, but then I have to add 3 more to it, so that's 51. All right, let's cross off the 3 and add the 0. And now we're ready to multiply 85 times 2 and put it right next to that 0. So 2 times 5 is 10. Here I have to regroup again. I put down the 0 and I carry the 1. And you can see why I crossed off the 3 because I didn't want to get confused. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. And then I just add them together. 2,210. Let's review. Multiply the top number by the 1's place of the bottom number. Add a 0 beneath the 1's place of your answer to begin a second number, and then multiply the top number by the 10's place of the bottom number and put that beside the 0. Finally, just add the two numbers together. This video was created by La Fontaine of Knowledge. Click the link in the description for lesson materials that go along with the video, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.